Guys, can you guys hear me now? We better? How about now? Can you guys hear me? Yes. Okay, perfect. All right, here we go. Guys, what's up, everybody? Welcome, folks, to the True Trading Group live stream. I am joining you right now, guys, streaming live, visiting my parents' house. What's up, everybody? So pardon me, forgive me. Okay. But what's up, everybody? What's going on? Hope you guys are all ready for a fun, exciting evening that we have in store for you tonight. What's up? My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those that don't know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform available today. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here, totally for free on this YouTube channel, where myself, other TT Pro Trader moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets, free lessons, and education that are going to help you to become a better and more profitable trader. Take a moment right now, guys. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Heck, share this stream on your own social media. We're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Welcome, everyone joining us on those different platforms. Let's reach out, educate, and empower as many retail traders and investors as we possibly can. Guys, why should you listen to anything that I share with you, though, in any of these live streams? Because my goal is simple: provide you with free lessons, education that are going to help you guys to become better traders. I started my career working for a hedge fund in New York City. My very first job out of college, 2007. Then 2008 happened, which was the Great Recession, the housing market crisis. But during that time of chaos, I actually went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But before they ever let me touch $1 of their money, I first had to go through an intensive training program. I had access to some of the top trading tools available today, and I was part of a community of like-minded traders. And that is exactly what we have now based the TeachD platform on. We're doing a very special 15-minute Q&A, guys, with none other than Mr. Matt Kohrs himself, and then it is giveaway time. Guys, I hope you guys are excited for tonight. These live streams, these giveaway live streams are literally my favorite live streams. They're my favorite. They're absolutely my favorite. Tonight, we are giving away, literally, right here on this YouTube channel, in just a few short moments, we're giving away either a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cold hard cash. The winner chooses cash or the car. Then it's like a double whammy of giveaways tonight, because we are also giving away to 5 lucky people. We are giving away 5 private screenings at an AMC theater. Yes, AMC theater. 5 private screenings. So I'm bringing my boy Matt on to join me on this live stream, guys. And we are then going to be going over the stock market outlook. I'm going to tell you guys what I think the markets are going to be doing here this week. We got a big pullback day on Friday. Does that pullback continue this week, or is it a buy the dip scenario? We're going to talk about that all here tonight on this live stream. But first, let's not go any further. Let's introduce my boy Matt. Everybody give a big, warm welcome to Mr. Matt Kohrs.
Hello, hello, hello. What is going on, everyone? I'm excited.
What's up?
So I've for the little bit that I've known both you and Adam, I've been hearing about these giveaways, and the fact that I'm now going to be at least a part of half of one right here. I'm excited. I mean, this works so perfectly with AMC rocking this private theater. I'm super excited for that. And I'm curious, like, honestly, this mechanism, like when the person picks the car or the cash, like what does it normally go? Does the person normally take the car or the cash? Like, what have you seen historically?
We've actually, Matt, we have never had anybody take the car. Literally, so far, every single person has chosen the cash. Every single person. Well, you know, it kind of makes sense. It kind of makes sense because if you take the car, you still have to pay taxes on the car. If you take the cash, you just withhold the taxes and you just take the cash. So I think that's probably a lot of the reason why a lot of people end up taking the cash. But so far, as many times that we've done these giveaways, and I don't even know, Adam, I don't know if you know, Adam, if you can tell me. For those that don't know, Adam's my co-founder and business partner with True Trading Group. He's the man behind the curtain that produces all these live streams. We've done so many of these giveaways, and so far every person's taken the cash. But dude, they're a lot of fun, man. I'm excited to have you on here joining me tonight. Like I said, guys, I am streaming live from my parents' house, so forgive me a little technical difficulty there in the beginning of the stream. But we're ready. We're ready to rock and roll. I'm excited to get this thing going. And we're gonna start off, like I said, this Q&A. And I think this AMC private screening is pretty cool, man. I mean, you can play anything you want in the theater, right? When you rent out the screening.
Yeah,
Is that
I
right?
think sometimes there's like maybe time restrictions, but in general, yeah, the theater's yours. You tell them what you want to see. Like, I don't know. I've never been to a private like screening ever, so like I'm almost jealous about this. Like, I want it.
I know. So you're saying we can't just like roll end game for like for 8 hours? We can't just do that, like play it on a loop, is what you're saying? There's a time limit?
Well, I'm assuming that there's some sort of, yeah, like I'm just, I guess whatever the theater is, but
yeah.
man, it's so cool.
I'm excited,
so cool.
man.
I have to
I'm
ask
excited.
Adam. I want to see if I could enter myself. Like, if I respond to my own tweet, does that technically enter me? I need to get some of the details on this. Like, if I'm barred from the giveaway.
Yeah. Awesome. So yeah, so we're going to yeah, so guys, I'm gonna start off this Q&A. We have so much to get into here tonight. Like, I'm so excited to do these giveaways. So let's dive right in. Let's give a couple of minutes for people to log on. Matt and I are here for you all.
Cool.
You guys can fire away, ask us whatever questions that you guys have. We are here for you. So we're gonna go ahead right now in just a couple of minutes, or just literally in a minute. We're about to start the Q&A. So you've got Matt and I sitting here telling you guys, ask us anything. So guys, do me a favor, start typing your questions in chat right now. Adam will grab them. He'll throw them up on the screen. And then Matt and I will take those questions. Remember, there's no such thing as a stupid question. Do not feel embarrassed. Don't be shy. Go ahead, guys. Start typing your questions in chat right now. And let's begin that Q&A.
All right.
All right. Oh, look at it.
Too
We didn't
perfect.
plan that. That was not planned.
What else do we have going on here? What kind of questions?
What are you expecting for the overall markets this week? Okay. So I'm going to give you my rundown on kind of what I'm expecting for the overall markets here this week. Now, unfortunately, with my setup right now, I can't share with you guys my charting software. So anyone that has a chart that's open in front of them, or I don't know, Matt, I don't know if you have a chart or something, but if anybody that's while following the live, if you guys have a chart, I'll just talk you guys through kind of what I'm thinking about with the overall markets. It'll be kind of my expectations first, and then Matt, if you want to kind of let them know what your thoughts are on the overall markets. But guys, what I am thinking right now is that 50-day moving average on the SPY. So for those that don't know, the SPY is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Okay, so far, if you look back the entire year of 2021, the entire year, literally go all the way back to January. And I don't know off the top of my head, but I think it's at least like 5, 6, maybe even 7 times that since January, the markets have pulled back to retest the 50-day simple moving average on your chart. And every single time that we've gotten down towards that 50-day moving average, we have bounced off of it. My thoughts are this week is that we have downside to start the week. Now, right now, the futures market is green by, I think, like 0.3% right before we joined the live stream. I think we were up about 0.3%. So a little bit of a move higher on the futures market. But I think that with the levels that were broken, the support levels that were broken on the SPY on Friday, and there was a few levels that were broken, especially like that 446, 447 level in SPY. We've broken below that. And I think that we're going to now get down and test that 50-day moving average. All you guys going to do is pull up a daily chart of the SPY, and you'll see that 50-day simple moving average. I think we got to get down and test that level. It's possible we might little overshoot it intraday and then put in low and kind of bounce off it. But I fully expect us to bounce off of that 50-day moving average. And I think that's the price action that you're going to get this week. I think this week we're going to start the week with kind of downward action and then bounce off of there. And then don't forget, September 21st and September 22nd this week, we have a Fed meeting. So on September 22nd, we're going to get a rate announcement, which will be unchanged. They're not going to raise rates. Rates will be unchanged. But we're also going to get more language about the taper schedule. So for those that don't know, the Federal Reserve is consistently every single month buying $120 billion worth of different securities, mortgage-backed securities, treasuries. They're buying those every single month. The taper is the slowdown of that asset purchasing. So let's say they're buying 120 billion. Maybe once they announce the taper, they go from 120 to 90, then from 90 to 75, from 75 to 50, 50 to 25, 25 to 0, just as an example. So the markets are waiting for that schedule from Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve. Now, I think that on the 22nd, we might get a lot more clarity on when that is going to take place and the speed of that taper. So if we do continue down early in the week, test the 50-day, bounce off the 50-day, then everybody's going to go and wait for the 22nd, right? And then wait for the 22nd, which will be the Fed meeting, and then that'll be the next move. The next move is going to be, what's the Fed going to do? Are they going to announce the taper? And then if there's no taper, you may get some continuation to that bounce off the 50-day. If they do announce a taper schedule and it's faster than people would like, then you have the chance for more downside. Now, what I'm looking for with the taper, when the taper is finally announced, here's what I think. A 6-month schedule, market's not going to like it. An 8-month schedule, market's going to be like, a 10-month schedule, market's going to love it. I think the market's going to love a 10-month schedule. I think 6 will be too fast. I think 8's kind of the sweet spot. I think 10, the markets like that, and the markets will actually move higher off of it. So that's kind of what I'm thinking with the overall markets. Matt, feel free to share kind of your thoughts if you think what kind of price action we get this week in the markets.
Yeah, so I guess to talk on what you just spoke about at the end there, definitely paying attention to what the Fed's going to do here. For anyone out, there's no way they're going to raise the rates. We know that, especially with a little bit red in the chart. Like maybe there was a 1% chance if we were at a new all-time high, but now the fact that we're like looking a little bit weak in terms of the past week and only the past week, that's not going to happen. In terms of the technicals, I looked it up just so anyone can listen here. It looks like the moving average at 50-day, just so everyone knows, is 441.50 cents. I have technical support at $1 higher, 442.50. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. So Monday, Tuesday, in the short term, there's a good chance that maybe through the futures market, I'll play a little bit of a downward bet and just look for that bounce off of there. Because I was looking through the chart when you were bringing that up. It looks like 10 solid bounces since the Fed started stepping in March of 2020. So that's a huge support. And it's, for me, I'll be watching the reaction to it. If we go below it, hey, who knows? Maybe there's going to be more money to be made on the downside. But there's going to be so many mainstream media, even social content creators like myself, don't play in the doomsday. I'm sure Mike here, I'm sure he's taught a lot of you can make money both ways. No reason to panic whatsoever. Let's just look for that reaction and see how it goes from there. We lost your audio again, Mike. Last week, you had a positive outlook on AMC. Is it still? So for me, can't speak for Mike. Yes, huge technical breakout. We closed above the $50 mark, which it was a key technical level and a key psychological level. In fact, there was that one guy, one well-known person on Twitter that hates our community that like a bit ago, he tweeted, AMC will never touch $50 again. And a couple of weeks after that, we did touch $50 again. So we chopped this up a lot on Friday. Huge technical close. The only thing in my eyes that would have made it better is if we had more serious volume. We traded in the realm of 80, 90 million. I would have loved to see 115, 125 would have been better. But as long as the volume is there, that makes me feel more confident in the actual strength that we're seeing. I want to see as many market participants as in a higher volume accepting the new price. So for me, right now, we're just above 50. I wouldn't be surprised if AMC has to dance around that, especially if the Russell 2000 opens up a bit weak. So we might go above 50, below 50. It's just an important level. There will be a battle there. I want to get a nice footing at 50. And from there, my next watch is like pretty much 53 plus or minus, say like 25 cents as the next major technical region I'll be paying attention to. But heading into the week, it's strong. I mean, the SPY had a rough week. The IWM, the Russell 2000, had a rough week, but AMC was up 14% on the week. So on a relative basis, it's showing even more strength, because I like to think of the overall market and these indices as providing headwinds and tailwinds to individual stocks. They don't have to move in lockstep at all, but it is like a headwind, tailwind type of scenario. But right now, AMC pretty strong, and even GME holding up around 190. Would like to see that recapture 200. Mike, you back with us on your audio? Nope. Looks like he's still having some audio issues. So, folks, while he's figuring out his audio, I am the star of the show. Let me know what other questions you have. Let me know while we're letting him fire away. I am ready, Adam. Oh, man. This is kind of like when you're called into movie set and you're there with like Tom Cruise and you're just like the top coffee delivery guy, and they're like, hey, we need a new star of the show. And then they like rely on me to bring like whatever Mission Impossible 8 home. Do you think GME will spike? So GME has been really, really interesting lately. Actually, let me throw up the chart right here. GME. Okay, so GME, I mean, showing so much strength. So we saw that huge pop on August 24th, big volume. And in fact, it was actually GME that moved things around. GME popped, and that was the thing that moved. And then AMC was not too far behind it. And then from there, we saw some lower highs and higher lows. And that's actually referred to as a bullish pennant. You had kind of the flagpole, and then higher, like lower highs, higher lows, you get that triangle, and it broke to the upside. Unfortunately, that was kind of a fake out breakout, because right after getting from there and on a second time touching 225, it ended up coming down to the south side. And man, the earnings announcement on Wednesday of this past week did GME dirty. It truly did. And it gapped down around 9.4%. And then from there, people bought it right back up. I mean, so many, like really starting September 1st, all the way to market opening on September 9th. Let me do some quick math for you right here. It was down. I mean, it was down quite a bit. It's not loading for me. Why is this not? All right, GME from September 1st to the opening after the earnings, it was down 19.3%. And from there, everyone, all these pundits were saying down, it's over, GME, this Reddit saga is over. And then all day, you know what GME did? It trucked back upwards. That to me is a lot of strength. So right now we're dancing around just above 190. I want to see that recapture of 200. And from there, I'm watching around 212 to 215 as the next region. But the one thing I've learned personally in this saga with AMC and GMEs, you can't count it out. Like it's moving beyond any normal rules and trading patterns of the market. It's definitely a special black swan event. And as soon as people get overconfident that these things are done, that's exactly when they start moving back upwards, because people are then making bets. Oh, the apes have left it. They lost interest in what's going on. And seriously, I think that's what was happening in mid-August with both of these. And then the momentum switch, you can see that in the MACD, the moving average convergence, divergence. We saw that crossover on the daily chart. And then from there, both of them were just like flexed into all hell.
Yeah.
Are you back with us, Mike?
Can you hear me now, Matt?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, good. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, like I said, guys, you got to, just bear with me with some technical issues that I've got going on right now. But going back, yeah, and I think that's exactly what the issue kind of has been there for a while. Like everybody, just as soon as everybody starts to forget about them, they pop. And that's exactly what happened just a couple of weeks ago with AMC and GameStop. And going back to the previous person's question about GameStop, like right now in this 50 to 52 range, which, Matt and I have been talking about this level for quite a while, guys, about the resistance level that there is there in the low 50s. We just broke above a key level that was resistance at 48. 48 hung in there as resistance for a couple of weeks. We just broke through that right up into 52. We got up there Friday. We started testing that $52 level. And then you have this little pullback back below 51. I'm in agreement with Matt. I think we kind of have to churn through that 52. If you guys caught our live stream last week that Matt and I were talking about, we were talking about watching for volume through that level, like to let you know we're going to need a high volume day in order for AMC to break through that 51, 52 resistance level. That's a major level of resistance. You're going to want to pay attention to the volume. I think we traded just under 90 million shares on Friday. Matt and I both are in agreement. We're looking for like 125 million share day, somewhere in that neighborhood to take us through that 52 level. And then now all of a sudden then start to open up. And what we talked about last week is once you get through that level, that's when you can start to see utility come back into AMC. The one thing that I think is really great about the price action you've seen AMC these last 2 weeks is the volatility is actually low. Like, you're not getting these wild $8, $10 moves. Like, the stock is slowly climbing its way higher in a very, very methodical manner. Once you break through some of these major levels, that's when I think the volatility comes. But why is that important? When you get those big wide range candles and all of a sudden you look at AMC, the stock's up 10%, 12%, 15%, it starts to light up every single trader's scanner. Obviously, you have certain communities that are looking at AMC all day, every day. But let's not forget, there are millions upon millions of people all around the world that are trading the US markets. And they may not be focused on AMC. But once AMC gets that volatility back, watch how much volume pours back into this thing, because now all your longs are going to start to come in and buy. All your other traders are going to start to come in and trade this thing because the volatility is there. And that's when you can start to force some shorts to say, you know what, the hell with this thing. I'm not riding this thing out anymore. I'm going to start to cover. Buying begets buying. That's how you get your move back up into the high 50s, low 60s, which will then become your next big resistance level. But I think that we can sit here for maybe 1 or 2 days, recharge the battery, fill the tank back up, and then try to make a push through that level.
Definitely. I mean, my one concern with the volume being a bit lower, and right now on the recent movement, if you're on the 2 hour, 4 hour, the RSI it's a bit hot right now. So that's why I'm saying to everyone, okay, let's see if we're holding that 50 level. That's a key level that we're going to care about. So my eyes are on that, but who knows? This thing usually, and in my background of algorithmic trading, there was 2 major breeds of algorithms, either reversion or trend following. Are you trying to look for a trend, or are you trying to look for a trend to end? And usually when a stock moves this much, you look for a reversion play. The technicals are just a bit too hot. On my live stream, I like to say the engine's just too hot. It needs to cool off. So it might need to cool off, and we're looking at 50. But if you go to a smaller time frame, 15 and 30 minute, man, it's close to neutral. So we could see that. So really, my best guess on AMC's opening tomorrow will be kind of what is going on in the Russell 2000. So you have to almost watch the futures market overnight, see what's going on, see how people care about small cap right now with all the Federal Reserve policies, the political policies. There is movement and volatility is picking up, and we just are knocking on wood over here that it's in our favor to the upside.
Yeah. All right, next question. Don't be shy, guys. Type your questions right in chat. Matt and I are here for you. Matt, what do you look for in your game plan and on the charts to carry a trade into the after hours or swing to the next day? Whipsaw Jackson, great question. Whipsaw, I remember you, I don't remember the question, but you asked a really good question last week as well. I remember the username. I remember saying you asked a really good question last week too. So welcome back, and thanks for participating in the Q&A. These questions are very helpful to all of our viewers, because remember, if you guys have a question, trust me, a lot of other people have the exact same question, and it helps others, helps everybody learn together. So with regards to what I look for when I'm looking for a stock to push after hours, specifically what I look for when I'm focusing on small caps, and I'm trading a small cap, but I think we're going to get an after hours push in that small cap. Specifically, what I'm looking for is areas and that would pull short sellers in. The stock still does not yet break down. What do I mean by that? For example, I'm going to want to look for a stock that, let's say, tries to break through the high of the day, has some pretty good volume, but then rejects very aggressively, has a real sharp pullback. Everybody's shaking up a little bit, shakes out some of the weak longs. But that setup right there, if that happens, let's say in the middle of the day or in the early afternoon session, if something like that happens, that's going to pull a lot of short sellers into that stock, because they're going to look at that as, okay, we've got a double top in place. Let's get short. We're going to fade it into the close. And their stop loss is, let's say, above the high of the day. Okay, that's going to be a short seller's setup. There's probably a lot of short sellers that are on this live stream that are like, yeah, I love that, right? I look for short setups that don't roll over. So let's say maybe you get that short setup, but maybe it pulls back towards VWAP, bounces off of VWAP, trades sideways into the close. That's going to be the type of scenario where I'm going to look for that to possibly continue higher after hours, because typically short sellers, especially when you're talking about on small caps, they don't like holding shorts overnight if they are not already deep in the profit. So if you have a situation where, let's say a small cap, it's a $5 stock, it gaps up to 7, it runs to 8, it tries to break through 9, pulls back to 8, everybody gets short between 8 and 850, it pulls back to 750, bounces back to 8, and the stock closes 825. That's going to be a scenario where typically short sellers will say, you know what, I don't want to carry this overnight because I don't want to run the risk of a gap up to $10 or something even worse and getting squeezed after hours, getting squeezed the next day on a gap up. So typically you get some short covering after hours, and that can sometimes move the stock higher. It's the stocks that, like, you get those short setups and the stock completely breaks down. They get short at 850. The stock pulls back to 7 and closes at 675. I wouldn't expect much of a move after hours on that, because if I'm a short seller, short from 850, I'll hold that all day long when the stock closes down at 675, because I've got a $1.50 buffer on my position. So that's typically what I like to look for to see if I'm going to get that after hours move.
For me, that's kind of curious. So for me, I will day trade, but most of mine are going to be swing. And it's kind of, I know some people like the timing, but for me, I like to keep it as simple as like the levels. Like if my level is not hit, I'll look for it. And of course, like, I guess emotionally, I want it to see it trending into close in my favor. Cause like, I think there is like probably some sort of like statistics that says like, if it closes weak, it might open weak. If it closes strong, it might open strong. I don't know how strong of a pattern it is, but I would suspect that is some sort of pattern. But for me, I don't really like to time cap it. And really, I think that's a good example for anyone messing around in the options market. The big thing Mike and I were talking about last week is just make sure you give yourself enough time. Like that's a huge, huge issue I see with too many people. They start in, they see one good day, they buy lottos for that week. And you're just like, whoa, well, the next couple of days might be chopped. So for me, time can be one of the most interesting aspects, but I leave that mainly to the world of options. And with my stock trades, I look for levels.
Yeah, really well said. And guys, like, this stuff, this is why it's so important for you guys to get yourselves, in education. We actually just concluded, Matt was just talking about options and how it's so important to select the right expiration date. We just concluded Options Palooza yesterday within the True Trading Group community, which was an all day long from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Eastern options trading workshop that was hosted by two of our top professional option traders, which were Chris and Moman. So Chris and Moman were two of our top option traders, and they put on a really great workshop, a really great webinar. And these are all the things that we teach you guys as a member of True Trading Group. You get to learn this stuff like the back of your hand. This is why getting an education is so damn important.
Seems like the people who attended, I'm reading the chat right now, a lot of positive reaction. Everyone's stoked about it.
Yeah, dude, it was awesome. It was so awesome. It was totally free for TeachD members. All of our workshops are free. Guys, do me a favor. Anyone that's on the live stream right now, if you attended Options Palooza, if you guys got value and you feel like you've become a better trader now because of what you've learned, go ahead, do me a favor. Type the number 1 in chat right now, guys. Type the number 1 in chat if you attended Options Palooza and if you guys feel you got value from that workshop.
I bet it's just going to like blow up. Everyone was stoked about it.
Yeah, look at all these number 1s.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's crazy.
I love it. Yeah, man, it was all day with 9 a.m. They went from 9 a.m. Eastern all the way till 5 p.m. Eastern. Was a complete game changer, man. Went over like intro to options, like basic call and put buying. Then they also talked about like selecting a strike price and an expiration date. They talked then about some more advanced stuff like credit spreads, debit spreads, straddle strangles, selling covered calls, selling options for income, was just an awesome workshop. And I'm glad that we had so many people on a Saturday. Dude, there were, well over 1,000 people were in there the entire day on a Saturday. It was just awesome.
Wow. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right, guys. I think we're ready to move on to our I think it's giveaway time, man. I think it's giveaway time. I get so excited. Oh man, I'm so happy you're here for one of these because Adam and I get so excited. First of all, it's just amazing that we're in a position to kind of do these things for our members and for our community. And our community, I mean, just like your community supports the ever living hell out of you, our THD family supports the living hell out of us. And it's just like, I love giving back to our members. I'm excited to have, a giveaway here with AMC, with you and your community, and the TTG giveaway. I'm really excited to kind of bring these together and to have our viewers and our community and our members to really kind of be a part of this and to take part in something that's a hell of a lot of fun. So I can't wait. Adam, what do you want to do here first, Adam? We're gonna do the Tesla 30K giveaway first, or what are we doing? Adam just popped on there for a minute and then he disappeared. For those that don't know, Adam, like I said, is my partner and co-founder of True Trading Group.
Heyo.
Hey.
Mike, tell your parents congratulations because they just won the free internet upgrade giveaway tonight. Jesus.
Yeah,
man.
I know, man. My internet, I'm like really struggling here with my internet. I'm sorry, guys. I'm visiting my parents, and it's just
on giveaway night.
I know. A new issue day. A new issue day.
All right, so what we're going to do first is let's do the giveaway for the private theater rental for AMC. Okay?
Let's do it.
So, guys, for those that don't know, AMC Theaters has an option for you to reserve an entire AMC safe and clean trademark auditorium. You can make it a personal screening for one or a private party. Choose from our available classic fan favorites or new releases. Basically, here's what's going to happen. We're going to go ahead and I have the preloaded wheel of names already set. Here we go. And then let's open the other one. Here we go. So what we'll do is, Matt, these are the people that left comments to participate tonight on your Twitter underneath that underneath the post, right? So we're gonna spin the wheel 5 times here. We're gonna get 5 different names, and then Matt, you are gonna go ahead and send them a private message, and they have till the end. Okay, you can come over here. Come on, Sarah, come on. Sorry, graham crackers. I haven't eaten dinner.
We can't do giveaways without graham crackers.
I haven't eaten dinner yet. Matt's gonna private message you, and then you have till the end of this stream to reply back. Once he lets me know that you replied back, we will book the day and the theater and the movie for you.
Let's do it. I'm so excited for this. Yeah. So folks, if you're listening right now, I will be messaging you through Twitter. So you had to respond to what this giveaway. It was on Twitter. So we're looking at the list of everyone who responded to that. So I know you have a Twitter. So if you're listening right now, be on the lookout for your DMs, a message from me.
All right. And really quick, before
Matt's going to slide in your DMs.
Really quick, before you do this, guys, tonight, the code word. When we do the Tesla and $30,000, this is separate from this giveaway. When we do the Tesla and $30,000 giveaway after this, the code word is apes. The code word is apes in honor of our friend Matt Kohrs and Ape Nation. When we call you for the Tesla and $30,000 giveaway, if you were the winner, you have to tell me the code word or you forfeit the prize. That's how we know that you were on the stream. So apes is the code word. The code word is apes. I think that if you're on the live stream, you should get it, that the code word is apes. That's what you have to say when I call you. And I think we're good to take it off the screen. Mike, what do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think we're good. Apes. That's it. You guys got it.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right.
First one. Here we go. Nice. Smokey Boo 78.
Smokey, hang on. Smokey Boo 78. All right. Crystal. You know what? I'm going to follow all these people too because I like that luck. I need that luck in my life.
Alex 776-15831. I hope that is not your phone number. Be a couple digits short anyways.
Yeah, I need that. What was that one again?
Adam,
Alex,
you got to leave it.
Yes, I hear you. Here,
Leave it up.
I got you.
Alex. Oh, yeah. Post them all in there because then I could copy that.
Cool. All right, here we go.
Winner. All right. Just messaged Alex. Update Crystal. The first person did respond to me.
Nice. Here we go. My 2 cents. All right, 2 more, guys.
2 cents. James. Got him.
Nice. JonPaulAStone. That's cool. All right. And last one. You ready?
Last one. Here we go.
Who else do we have?
Amanda Darid, 1978.
Nice. Congratulations.
Congrats. We got Alex 776-15831. We have Smokey Boo 78. My 2 cents. JonPaulAStone and Amanda Reed 1978. And hang on, I may get some shit for this, but I'm going to do it anyways. Earlier today, at 4:35 p.m., I saw a comment by one of Matt's followers that said, I want this private screening session for my daughter's birthday party coming up in October. It would make her whole world to see the Paw Patrol movie, the movie with some of her friends. I shit you not, I started to like tear up because I'm soft as shit because I have little kids as well. So Moon Man, I am giving that to you out of my own pocket.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
Moon Man.
So
that is awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty freaking cool. I saw it. I was like, my kid loves Paw Patrol.
There is a Moon Man who follows me. I wonder if it's the same Moon Man.
I'm not sure, but you know, I saw that earlier today. I sent you a text. I was like, I suck at giveaways because I just want to give it to this guy right now. You know?
Oh man,
that's awesome. So we got 6. We got 6.
6. So there we go.
All right, the second one, Alex has now responded to me. So 2 out of the 5 have been claimed here.
All right.
James Preston needs to respond to me. They call me Jipper needs to respond to me. And the Apet Nurse needs to respond to me.
That's amazing. Very cool.
All right. You guys got to respond. Get on your Twitters. Respond to Matt's DMs, guys, to claim that free AMC private screening.
It's such a cool thing that they do that.
Yeah.
It is really cool.
That's the coolest shit I've ever heard. When I saw that they did that, I was like, this is amazing.
Yeah. That is pretty cool.
Somebody goes, my daughter really wants a Tesla to watch Paw Patrol in. I'm not going to give it to you, Chris Rice, but I do want to be your friend because I think that that's amazing.
I love that.
That's great, man. That's awesome.
All right. So, all right, cool, man. So, what do you think, man?
Only 2 people responded so far, Matt?
Yeah, so I guess how do you want to handle that one, Mike and Adam? So do we want to give them time, and I'll let you know if by the end of the stream if they respond to me?
Give them to
give them to the end of the stream.
Okay, will do.
All right, awesome, Matt. Thank you so much, bro, for fucking stopping by. I know it's late, and you've had. I know for a fact you've had a long day. So
yeah, definitely. Well, are you about to do this other call? I just kind of want to live it in real time.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah, I just want to be here. I don't have to say anything. I just want to experience.
No. All right, let's do it. Let me load it up.
Let's do it, man. All right, guys, we are moving on now to the TTG $30,000 or Tesla giveaway. Adam is going to spin this wheel. One lucky TTG member is going to win either $30,000 or a brand new Tesla. It is the winner's choice, cash or the car. Like I said, Matt, nobody's ever taken the car.
I think we could make a derivatives market on just betting on this to see if anyone ever does it.
Nobody has ever taken the car. Everybody takes
it. We have a lot of people on the stream. When the giveaway is done tonight, we are going to talk a little bit about the market. I know Matt's going to hop off. We'll talk a little bit about the market, and I know Mike's going to walk people through the True Trading Group platform as well. All right, but give me a second because I got to pull up the back end here so that I can get their information.
All right, so guys, remember, so Adam gave out a code word earlier on this live stream. You have to know the code word.
Yeah, I'm going to even do it one more time for the people that will have an issue with it. The code word is apes. When I call you, that is the code word you have to tell me. Somebody is still going to say that I didn't put it on the screen or that they couldn't find it or something, but it is apes. Apes is the code word.
In honor of our special guest joining us here tonight.
Okay, except that there are 3,000 people posting it in chat, says Joe. All right, stop posting it. Well, whatever. All right. Okay.
I'm getting that feeling again, Adam. I'm getting that feeling again. I get nervous when we do these.
I know. All right, you ready? All right, so here's how it's going to work, guys. I'm going to go ahead and spin the wheel. Wherever the wheel lands on, here, let me customize this real quick. We got 30 seconds. It's showing 500 names. We have 2,472 people that registered this evening. So you have a 1 in 2,472 chance of winning $30,000 or a brand new Tesla Model 3. Okay? Remember, guys, we do this every single time we hit 300 new members. There is no limit to that. And it is what it is. So every single time we hit 300 new members, we go ahead and do that. All right. So let's do it. Here we go.
Let's do it.
I don't like it.
I love it.
Whoever wins it, like, does, you know, like
needs it.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I really, you know, I really hope that, you know, listen, $30,000 can be, you know, life-changing money for a lot of people. And I really hope that this money can really go to someone or a family that could really use it. You know, everybody's got, you know, a lot of stuff, you know, especially what's gone on over the last, you know, year and a half now. You know, I feel just blessed and fortunate that we can even do these things with our TC members. Our goal at True Trading, guys, is to give away $1 million before the end of the year to our True Trading Group family.
From all the giveaways, between the TTG stimmies that we did, The
Right.
$50,000 giveaways, the $30,000 giveaways. We're like right around $800,000 right now that we have given away cash to our TTG members since the beginning of since the end of 2019, beginning of 2020.
Wow, that's sick.
So, our goal is to hit $1 million that we have given back in cash for giveaways to our TTG family. All right. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready?
That's are we gonna try to get them on, Adam, the winner?
I'm gonna try, but like I don't know if I want to like press our luck with all these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna at least
try to get them on your phone.
Yeah, I'll at least get them on the phone, but they have to get on the phone in order to take the gift. And after we get the winner, I need to make sure that they are active and everything. So I gotta just verify their account.
Right. All right, let's do it, man. Let's go.
Okay, go. All right, let's see.
Who's it gonna be?
Oh lordy, oh brother.
We're gonna lose like 1,500 people the second the name shows up.
Someone's life right here changed.
Stop, wheel. Who is it?
Dahian.
Oh,
So cool.
Let's see. Hang on. Let me verify.
All right, Adam has to verify that their account is active. Hold on, guys. And then they have to answer the phone and they have to give him the code word. If not, if they don't know the code word, we spin again.
One second, it's loading.
The anticipation. Now, historically, has it been the first person, or do you have to do multiple roles most of the time?
Most of the time, it's the first person. So
gotcha. Makes sense. I mean, for 30,000 to
watch. You know what? They've been a member since January 7th, 2021, and they are good to go. All that's left is to get them on the phone.
Update. Right. James Preston has responded. So now we have 3 of the 5 claiming their personal theater.
Nice.
All right, here we go. Let me get him on the phone.
Who's still left, Matt?
The APET nurse, and they call me Jipper.
Okay. That's my safe word.
All right, guys. So now Adam's going to try to get Dahian on the phone.
That's so awesome. Congratulations. Hi, hang on. They cannot hear you yet. Do you have an iPhone? Oh, it's okay. I'm going to put you on speaker so that then everyone can hear you. Hang on one sec. Hang on. Here we go. All right. You are live. Oh, you are very, very welcome. Congratulations. So yeah, no, that's pretty incredible. And you know what's cool is that you've been a member for a while. You've been a member almost for a year.
That's so cool.
That is awesome. All right, so I hate even asking this question, and I'm not going to ask car or cash yet, but I am going to ask this question. Forget the fact that we just gave you 30 grand. You're going to get that money even if you tell us we suck. But I would like a real answer. How has your experience been with us thus far?
Well, I began trading by my own reading. And when I studied all the lessons of CPG, oh my God, the difference is from the earth to the sky. Very, very good lessons. And I recommend the CCG group to to everybody. Really, I recommend, if you are trading, please buy the membership. It's worth it more than you think.
Awesome.
Yes, and to everyone typing, she did say the code word, which was apes. She said it 3 times when I picked up the phone.
She picked up the phone. She was like, apes, apes, apes.
All right. So anyways, congratulations. You are awesome. And so what is it going to be? Is it going to be cash or the car?
Cash, because the first thing I will do is buy the lifetime membership.
No. You're not going to buy the lifetime membership. You're getting it for free. That's for free.
Oh my God. Thank you very much. Cash. It will be cash.
Okay. Excellent.
Awesome.
Excellent.
I love it. I love it.
All right. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead. Obviously, I'm going to save your number here. I'm going to shoot you a text when we're first thing tomorrow morning, and I'll send you the info I need, and I will have you a wire out to your bank account either tomorrow or first thing Tuesday.
Okay. Well, Adam, Adam is hearing me?
Yes, you're on the phone with me.
And Matthew?
Yes.
I follow you, Matt, and you awesome, and Adam, you are awesome. Yeah. All of you 3 are awesome.
Oh, that's so nice.
That's awesome.
No, that's
So
awesome.
awesome.
Congratulations. And yeah, amazing. I'm glad this is the best part of the job. One of the best.
It really is.
So, and again, to everyone, also, Dahian, can you confirm that you and I are not related, please?
No.
Okay. All right. All right, cool. All right, excellent. Thank you so much. All right, have an amazing night. Thank you for being here, and we will go ahead and I will reach out first thing in the morning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Awesome.
That is way too cool.
Dude, it's pretty freaking. It's pretty sweet. It's definitely one of the better ideas that we've had. You know, the thing is that we don't really spend a lot of money on marketing, right? So like everything we do is for this live stream. So that saves a ton of money. So the money we would have spent on marketing, we're like, screw it, just give it back to them.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it. Well, guys, I'm going to drop, but let me know as soon as the stream technically ends, and I'll let you know if the other 2 confirm. But right now, 3 of the 5 private screenings at AMC have been claimed. So I'm pulling for, once again, Amanda Reed. Please respond to my DM, and JonPaulAStone, please respond to my DM, and I will let you 2 both know if they do or don't.
Somebody just said, Adam, was that your mom? I responded with, nah, she's still missing, bro.
All right, I love it. Well, on that note,
thank you
head
so
out.
much, dude. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Matt, take care,
man.
bro. Thanks for joining
Later.
us, man. Take it easy.
Bye.
Awesome, man. I love these giveaways more than I think people really truly understand. You know, like just being able to do this with our members is something that is just so special to, and I think I speak for both of us, but I think it's so special that we're able to do this and give back to our members, and you know, they're with us every step of the way, man. When we say welcome to the family, we mean it, folks. When we say welcome to the family, we mean it. It's a lot of fun.
All right, I'm going to let you do what you do. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. And everyone stick around. We have another 15, 20 minutes. You're definitely going to want to hear us out. All right?
Yeah, guys, don't go anywhere. You know, I'm going to still talk to you guys about the overall markets. I'm going to still talk to you about, you know, what's going on with the SPY, what to look for next week, how I plan on making money from it, where my focus is going to be. And then, like I said, you know, going into, I'm going to talk a little bit further out in advance because, like I said, the 22nd is when we're going to be looking at the Fed meeting. So we're going to talk about that and everything that we're going to be expecting there. So listen, I doing all these giveaways is it's a lot of fun for us. It's a lot of fun for True Trading Group. I know it's a lot of fun for members. Everybody gets really excited for the giveaways. It's so much fun. It's fun for you guys. It's fun for Adam and I. It's fun for the whole TGD family. Don't forget, there's 21 employees with True Trading Group. And, you know, all of us are literally, you guys only see me and Adam on the live stream right now, but there is a group chat with all of our employees right now, and everyone's typing, like commenting in chat, like everyone's super excited when we do these giveaways. It's so much fun, but it's like, listen, it's great that we do these giveaways in True Trading Group. Believe me, I wouldn't have it any other way. But this is one aspect of what makes True Trading Group True Trading Group. Okay, don't say, hey, you know what, I want to join True Trading Group because I want a chance to win $30,000. The giveaways are great, right? The giveaways are great, but you know what's a lot better than winning $30,000? Making $30,000. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. And I guarantee you, as great as you'll feel winning $30,000, you're going to feel even better when you are able to take the education that you receive, implement it in the markets, and profit $30,000. That feeling of accomplishment and success will far trump any feeling of excitement and luck and happiness from winning $30,000. That is why you should join True Trading Group, not because of the giveaways. We give away laptops, we give away the $30,000, the Teslas. We do a lot of other stuff within the TGD community that you guys don't even see here on the live streams that we do kind of privately, like within chat. We do a bunch of different giveaways with members. But I can't stress enough the importance of actually taking the time to get yourself an education. And I will be the first person to tell anybody on here, listen, guys, I don't sugarcoat anything. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I don't sugarcoat anything. I will always shoot you straight. I always tell you guys how it is. We're fully transparent in True Trading Group. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to join True Trading Group and you're just going to start making boatloads of money. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a lot of people think it is. A lot of people just scour around the internet and they will literally go from group to group to group to group to group, just looking for who's right more often is what people are going to look for. Is this person right? Is this person right? Is this person right? Is this person right? But they don't actually learn anything. And I promise you, it doesn't matter how many people are, or who is right more than this, or this person's right and this person's wrong. This person's right more often than that person. And you're going to spend your entire trading career looking for that person. And you're never going to reach your true potential because you still don't know what you're doing. There's more to trading than just, oh, well, this person told me to buy the stock. Okay, but then what? How much of the stock should you buy? Where should you be taking profit? Where should you be stopping out? When should you add back? What are the things you're going to want to look for that's going to give you indications the stock's going to move higher, the stock's going to move lower? All of these different things are what is going to make you realize your true potential, not just someone telling you what to do. And that is why at True Trading Group, we teach people how to fish. Our goal is to help you become a self-sufficient trader. Our goal is to help you get an education enough to the point where you can identify your own profitable trade opportunities in the markets on your own and have the confidence to actually pull the trigger and act on it. That is our goal. You guys can follow all the trade alerts. And again, TGD is not just me. There's 7 other professional traders that are in the chat with me, that are calling out trades, that are on the microphone, that are sharing their screen with you. They're calling out the trades. They're answering questions all throughout the entire day. It's not just me. Okay, it's not just me, but that is really where you're going to get an opportunity to not only pick the brain of professional traders, but actually also get access to, or get exposure, I should say, to a variety of different trading styles and different trading strategies. There's so many different styles that a lot of people feel like they go on YouTube, they say, like, oh, wow, look how much money this person made. Let me do exactly what that person did. Well, the trading style that that person implements might work for them. Doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Now, someone's trading style is typically dictated by 2 very important things. Someone's trading style is going to be dictated, A, by their personality traits. Personality traits have a lot to do with the trading style that you implement. And also your lifestyle. Lifestyle, not meaning like, do you like to travel and go out to eat and live a luxurious life? That's not what I mean. Are you able to sit in front of a computer all day long? Or are you out policing a neighborhood? Are you putting out fires? Are you operating on people? Are you in a courtroom? Are you on a construction site? Are you in a classroom? Like, what are you doing throughout the course of the day? How much access do you have to a computer? That is also going to dictate the type of trading style and strategy that you implement. This is why someone else's trading style does not necessarily, it might work for them, might not necessarily work for you. And that's why when you join True Trading Group, it's a reason why it's called True Trading Group, not michaeledward.com. It's called True Trading Group because it's me and 7 other professional traders that are calling out trades that all have their own style, their own strategy. And that is, I think, a very, very, very important factor for someone that is especially first starting out and is trying to find what I call their trader identity. Okay. That's why they do like to call their trader identity. Okay. So guys, listen up real quick for those, that was a really great kind of giveaway. I love doing those things. We have so much fun doing them. Just remember, True Trading Group is the fastest growing and highest rated premium educational platform that is all about results, because results matter in True Trading Group. Results matter. We help people reach their goals of becoming consistently profitable traders by combining top-notch education, premium trading tools from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, and more. And we're a community of traders that all share the same goal, and that's to learn, trade, and profit together. If you guys have been watching our live streams for a while, you know that we've been steadily walking the price of our membership up by a couple of bucks every day until we get back up over $2,000, because we continue to add new features, new resources, new tools to our platform. When you join True Trading Group, you are not just getting someone's trade alerts. It's a platform that has different tools and resources available to you from like those companies that I just mentioned to you. We have available here tonight, okay, 14 laptops, okay, for the next 14 people that join True Trading Group. This is something that is free. It is a gift to you for joining the True Trading Group family. We cover the shipping cost for you. We ship anywhere in the globe. We have members literally everywhere. We have members in Japan, the Philippines, Australia, the Netherlands, Italy, Spain, UK, Brazil, Mexico, Canada. We have members from all over the world. So as long as DHL ships to your country, we'll get you guys a brand new free laptop. A membership to True Trading Group, it's normally $2,212 for the entire year. However, from now until midnight Pacific tonight, you can save 41% on that membership. It brings the cost all the way down to just $1,284. And the next 14 people that sign up will get themselves a brand new free laptop. We do cover the shipping cost for you. Hear me now. If you do not want a laptop or you don't need a laptop and you'd rather forego the laptop and get maybe a steeper discount on a membership, you can send a text message right now to 201-775-9702. The phone number's right there at the bottom of your screen. Again, if you do not want the laptop and you'd rather have maybe a steeper discount, you can send a text message to 201-775-9702 right now. Adam is standing by.
Let me ask you a question
that you guys have.
Are you ready to take control of your life? Because
Adam is standing by right now. That was me. Heard my voice. I heard myself talking. Adam's standing right now, guys, to answer any questions that you guys have regarding the membership if you guys do not want the laptop. Also, remember that True Trading Group is like the Netflix of trading communities. You pay one price, you get access to the core of every single thing we have, okay? Including your membership is going to be all of our courses, the entire curriculum. Remember, the courses are a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. When I first got hired at the Fund in New York, I had to go through 3 months of an educational training program before they let me even touch $1 of their money. That is where I learned how to become the trader that I am here now today. You get a simplified version of that when you join TTG because you get all of our courses. It's a 17-course curriculum. There's beginner and foundation courses and advanced courses. There's options, trader psychology, swing trading, crypto, you name it. We've got it all in text and video format. You also get our Benzinga Pro news feed, which gives you real-time news alerts directly inside of our chat room. There's no delay. You can't rely on something like Yahoo Finance. Way too delayed. Active traders need news as soon as it crosses the wire. That Benzinga news feed is going to give you guys exactly that. You're also going to get to use our Quote Media full book level 2s. You're going to see all the market maker depth, not just the ones your broker shows you. You're also going to use TradingView's premium charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charts by active traders. You saw that a little bit earlier on the live stream. Adam was showing you guys that when we were talking about we were talking about AMC, GameStop, the SPY. He showed you guys that a little bit earlier. I'm going to show you that again later on the live as well. You're also going to be able to use our simulator. Our simulator lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data while you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. This is the same simulator that is used at California State University, Fullerton, University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. Those universities use this simulator to teach, their students and their programs. you guys are going to be able to use that exact same simulator. You're also going to get access to our Trade Ideas scanner. That's going to show you stocks that make new highs, new lows, have a surge in volume. Okay, you're going to be able to use that. And it's also broken down between small cap, mid cap, and large cap. So no matter what you trade, we can make sure you're always focused on the hottest stocks during the day. Then you have our proprietary scanner. Our proprietary scanner has the functionality of FinViz Elite, and it is also paired with the power of our streaming data from our partners at Quote Media. You also have access to our chat. The other moderators, we share our screen with you. We're live on the microphone, calling out our trades in advance. I'm live on the microphone every single day, talking to you guys, telling you what I'm going to do before I actually do it. I literally come on the microphone and go, hey guys, looks like we got support at 15. I'm looking to be a buyer. I'm looking for a pullback into 1520, 1525. I'm going to be a buyer right there. Stop loss is going to be down around 1420. I'm looking to take profits 1650, 17, and 1775. And that's exactly what I'll say on the microphone. My teaching members, you guys can just comment true or false if that's not what I do. I come on the microphone, I tell everybody what I'm going to do before I actually do it. So it's very easy for you to follow my trades if you want. Then when my trades actually execute, you get a notification in chat with the price I entered and the stop loss on that trade. We're there with you the whole day. We're there from pre-market till after hours. We're not gone after 2 hours. You have to fend for yourself. And you can also send us DMs. Wouldn't it be nice for you guys to message a professional trader during the day to ask them questions? You guys have that ability as a member to a trading group inside of our chat room. We also do a lot of live workshops, webinars. Remember, we just had our Options Palooza just yesterday. That was from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern, where two of our top professional option traders went over an all-day long training on options. That's included with your membership. You also get 2 small private study groups where this is your chance to get individualized attention with a teaching moderator, ask questions, go over lessons and topics you need help with to really help speed up that learning curve. All of this stuff is included. You don't pay $1 extra for any of this. And then, of course, the giveaways, like we did tonight. Every time we get 300 new members, we do these giveaways. Okay, so every time we get 300 new members, we give away a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. As you can see, no one has yet taken the Tesla. Everybody takes a $30,000 cash. All you have to do is be a member of True Trading Group, and you guys have a chance to register for all of these giveaways. And remember, like I said, the next 14 people to use coupon code TTG121. Use that coupon code. The next 14 people will get the 41% discount, and you'll get the brand new free laptop. If you don't want a laptop and you rather have a bit of a steeper discount, you can send a text message to 201-775-9702. Remember, you actually have to enter coupon code TGD121, click the apply code on the checkout page in order to get that discount. You'll know you're getting one of the laptops if you go to the laptop, if you go to the checkout page and you see the laptop is in your checkout. The laptop's in your checkout, you're good. You're getting a laptop. If you do not see a laptop, that means we have completely sold out. Okay? We also do offer a money-back guarantee, guys, with True Trading Group. Okay? We stand behind our program. I stand behind the education and the platform that we have created, so much so that if you are willing to go through all our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one private study group, that's all I ask you to do. If you do those 3 things and still don't make your membership fee back, which is $1,284 here tonight, if you don't make that membership fee back at least once during your membership, I'll give you a full refund. I'm not kidding. I will literally give you all of your money back if you do those 3 things and still don't make back your membership fee. That is the commitment that I will make to you. But you have to make some commitment to me as well. So you've got to go through all the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one private study group. Do those 3 things. You don't make your membership fee back, I give you all your money back. Because results matter. Results matter at True Trading Group. Over 80% of our members are successful, meaning they're making money and they're becoming better traders. And that is what matters. If you guys don't believe me, watch this. Guys, my TC fam that are joining me on the live here tonight, do me a favor. If you are making money with True Trading Group and you are becoming a better trader, go ahead right now. Type the number 1 in chat right now. If you're making money and you're becoming a better trader because of True Trading Group, type the number 1 in chat right here, right now. Anyone that's not a member, pay very close attention to the amount of number 1s that are about to come through this side of the screen. I'm serious. Pay attention. Because these number 1s are the reason I am able to offer you a money-back guarantee. Why? Because results matter. The fact of the matter is, well over 80% of our members are becoming better traders and making money. And if that was not the case, I wouldn't be able to offer you a money-back guarantee. I'd be an idiot. I'd be a complete moron to offer you a money-back guarantee if all of my members were losing money. These number 1s you see flying through the side of the screen right now, this is the reason why I can offer you that money-back guarantee. Confidently. All right? So there you have it, folks. Everything I'm telling you, it's on the website here, guys. Everything I'm telling you is on the website. You're getting exactly what I'm saying to you here now. And then remember, you can text 201-775-9702 if you guys do not want that laptop. Adam is standing by waiting for you guys. Okay? So what I want to do here now real quick, I want to talk shop about the markets just for a little bit. I kind of talked about it a little bit earlier, but I kind of want to go over this a little bit more with you guys about what I'm looking for in the overall markets here this week, how I plan on making money from it, and what I'm looking for from the Fed and how I think that's going to react, how the markets will react. Again, we've got 10 days until the Fed announcement. That's September 22nd. All right. It's a Wednesday. All right. We got 10 days before that happens. So we're going to make sure that we have a very clear game plan for it. We're going to plan for that. All right. And then after I talk to you guys about the markets real quick, I'm going to show you the entire TC platform. So anyone that's interested in what the platform looks like, what are the other resources and tools that are included, what do those tools look like, I'll show you the platform before we call it a night. And then we get our butts in chat tomorrow, get ready to make some money. Okay. So SPY, right? We talked about this earlier. Somebody asked me the question earlier. I'm going to go through it with you guys again. Maybe some people that were late joining the stream as well. We had a big pullback day on Friday. Okay. We had a big pullback day on Friday. The futures right now are slightly green. We were up like 0.3. We were up 0.36%, maybe an hour and a half ago. Now we're only up 0.14. Not a very strong bounce back so far to start the overnight futures market. Listen, a lot could change between now and tomorrow morning, but right now, not a very strong open right now as it looks for the markets. I think that the markets are going to want to get back down and test that 50-day moving average. Okay, the 50-day moving average on the SPY has held support the entire year of 2021. The entire year. You can literally go back to January, and if you plot the 50-day simple moving average, plot that on a daily chart. Okay, the 50-day simple moving average or 50-day moving average, depending on what charting platform you're using, it'll either say moving average or it'll say simple moving average. 50-day on the daily chart. You will see ever since January, we have gone down and touched that 50-day moving average many, many times so far this year. And every single time we've tested that level, the markets have bounced and rallied back to all-time highs. Bounced, rallied back to all-time highs every single time. Now, what happened on Friday caught a lot of people off guard. Very deep pullback. We actually gapped up on Friday. We gapped up. And we gapped up significantly. We gapped up about 2 points on the SPY. That's not nothing to just sneeze over. Okay, we gapped up 2 points. Sold off, went red, and then sold off, continued to trade much, much, much lower later in the day. Okay, we closed at the dead lows of the day. It was a very weak day in the overall markets. I think at this stage, we've got to get down and we have to test that 50-day moving average. And then that is when I will look to see if we can then get a little bit of a bounce from that level. Khaled, everyone, welcome Khaled. Khaled, we now have 13 laptops left. Khaled, welcome, welcome, welcome. Our newest member of True Trading Group. Everybody welcome Khaled. Everybody welcome Khaled to the TTG family. Guys, remember, you got to use coupon code TTG121. You'll get that brand new free laptop plus the 41% discount. If you don't want the laptop, you can send a text message to 201-775-9702. Adam is standing by. Let's help answer any question you guys have. So I am coming into the trading week with put options on deck for the SPY. Okay. I'm leaning on a bearish start to the week. I'm thinking maybe Monday, Tuesday, we drop a little bit further, go down, test that 50-day moving average, maybe even overshoot it a little bit. And then I'm looking for a technical bounce off that level. I cannot imagine that we're going to blast through the 50-day moving average without buying, stepping in. I think at this point, we have to have algorithmic buying that's going to be stepping in at that 50-day moving average. That's going to reverse the markets because every single time we've gone down to that 50-day moving average, there's been buying that has stepped in at that point in the charts. Every single time going all the way back until January. So I'm looking for that to continue. I'm looking for that bounce to continue going through into next week. And I think we can play that with put options to start the week and then maybe call options later in the week. And then I think going into the following week, which Wednesday will be the Fed meeting, I think the markets take a little bit of a breather. because if we get the drop to the 50-day and then we bounce off of it aggressively, I think everyone's going to take a step back and go, okay, that was close. And everyone's going to then at that point wait for the Federal Reserve to come out and do whatever it is they're going to do, say what they're going to say on the 22nd. You're going to want to listen for the taper talk. The taper talk is what's going to move markets. The Fed's going to talk about inflation's transitory. They're going to say all the things, ease everybody's fears about inflation. But the taper is what we're going to want to look for. Are they going to taper? A lot of people think we're going to get some discussions about a taper on the 22nd. We have to see. Remember, if you get a 6-month taper schedule, I think the markets sell off on that. An 8-month taper schedule, I think the markets kind of chop around. A 10-month taper schedule, I think the markets like that. I think the markets bounce back higher. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. So, but going into this week specifically, we'll talk about the Fed going into next week. This week specifically, I'm looking for put options early in the week and then call options later in the week. More downside, test the 50-day, bounce off it, catch it both ways. That's what I'm looking for as an active trader. That's where my teaching family members and I, that's where we're going to be. How can you benefit from it? Put options on the SPY early. You can also look for call options on the UVXY. UVXY is ETF that tracks the VIX. You can also look for that. We popped, I believe, over 21 on Friday. So we're back over 20 now on the VIX. We haven't been over 20 on the VIX now for a little while. We're back over 20, significantly over 20. So you can look for maybe 22, 23, 24. A little bit more upside is what we can be looking for, guys, going into next week. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking for. All right. So that's with regards to the overall market. That's what I'm looking at. All right. Okay, guys. Hugo, everybody, welcome Hugo. Welcome, Hugo. What's up, man? Welcome to the TCD family. Everybody, welcome Hugo. Hugo did not take a laptop, though, so that means we still have 13 laptops left. Everybody, welcome Hugo to the True Trading Group family. Newest member of the TCD family. Everybody, give Hugo a big, warm welcome. All right. So there we have it, folks. All right. That's what I'm going to be looking for with regards to the overall markets going into next week. I will update you guys, obviously, as the week unfolds. If there's any news headlines that shake up the markets a little bit, if there's any comments from the Fed, I think you may get some Fed comments this week ahead of the Fed meeting. Some people were pretty vocal going into the Jackson Hole meeting. A lot of Fed members were pretty vocal. I think you're going to get some vocal discussions coming out maybe here this week that I think the markets might start to move a little bit off of. So I'll update you guys as new things and new catalysts kind of come about here. But that's what I'm going to be looking at. If we check the futures market here right now, yeah, guys, it looks like the futures might go red. We're at the 0.12%. All right, 0.12% right now on the futures market. All right. So what I'd like to do here now, guys, I'd like to take you guys over, show you the True Trading Group platform for those of you that are interested. What I'd like to do here real quick, though, is I'd love to know how many people that are still with us are brand new. Do me a favor, type the number 1 if this is your first TG live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group. Go ahead right now, guys, type the number 1 in chat. All right, we got Quiet Pronto, we got Monty Smith, James C, Scion A2K, Carl Holst, Moot Poot, John Shang, Jack Garabito, Haggis NZ, Colin Day, Paul Scarborough, LDX, nice, Carlos Sedano, what's good? YouTube recommended the channel, so seeing what's up. Carlos, man, we're just getting to the end of the stream. You missed a hell of a stream earlier, but stick around. I'm about to show you guys the entire TT platform. We got John 0908. We got Dustin. Great. Awesome, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Everybody that's typing the number 1 in chat, welcome. All of you that are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember that your True Trading Group membership is normally $2,212 for the entire year. But from now until midnight Pacific, you guys can save 41%, brings the price of your membership all the way down to just $1,284. Comes out to about $3.50 a day. It's a cup of coffee from Starbucks. And the next 13 people to join True Trading Group will get themselves a brand new free laptop. You just have to enter coupon code TTG120. one. Remember, you guys are going to get full access to the moderators and myself. We are the Netflix of trading communities. You pay one price, you get access to the core of everything that we have. As a member of True Trading Group, you're getting access to the top premium trading tools and products because you bundle them together as part of your True Trading Group membership. And included with your platform is going to be our Benzinga Pro real-time newsfeed. This is a live breaking up to the second news alert service directly inside of our chat room, which allows you to get news as soon as it crosses the wire. You cannot rely on something like Yahoo Finance. That's like 15 minutes delayed. That is not enough. If you're going to be an active trader, you've got to get news at the same speed of which the pros do. Benzinga's newsfeed gives us that ability. It is free and included with your membership. Quote Stream's full book level 2 is also included. That's going to show you all the market makers inside of level 2. That's going to come with our trade simulator. That's going to let you trade stocks and options with fake money, with real-time data, where you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. This is the same that's used at University of California, California State University, Fullerton, University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. You then also can use our Trade Ideas scanner. This is going to show you what stocks are making new highs, new lows, stocks that have an unusual volume. It's all broken down between small cap, mid cap, and large cap. So no matter what you're trading, we can make sure that you're always focused on the hottest stocks during the day. Again, all of this is included. You don't pay $1 extra for any of it. Now, you also have our proprietary scanner that's got the functionality of FinViz Elite with the power of streaming data from our partners at Quote Media. You'll be able to view our presets, create your own, save them, follow along as myself and the rest of our pro trader moderators share our scanner steps with you in real time. And get this is one of the best parts. This includes the ability to click on any one of these stocks and download unlimited analyst ratings on any stock that comes up on the scanner. This is going to show you, out of all of the analysts that covered that particular stock, how many have a buy, how many have a hold, how many have a sell. This is crucial information that can help you in your trading and investing decisions. Then you're also going to be able to use our social sentiment scanner. This is something that used to only be available to the professionals and the institutions on Wall Street. Now it's at the fingertips of our True Trading Group family. Our social sentiment scanner searches today's top social medias like Reddit, Wall Street Bets, Stock Twits, Twitter. What are the most mentioned tickers on social media? It's also going to give you other relevant information like what percentage of the float is short, what's the size of the float, are there options traded on that particular stock, and so much more. It's a complete game changer. You're also then going to be able to use our TradingView Pro Plus premium charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. All of this is yours, included free with your membership. You don't have to pay $1 extra for any of it. Then you're going to get a minimum of 10 easy-to-follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders that is currently sporting well over an 80% win rate. We are fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that literally tracks every buy and every sell that all of our moderators make. All of our trading activity is loaded up to this trading journal every single day, so you can follow along and see if you followed all of our trade alerts, how you'd be performing. It's all right there on the website for you guys to see. You're also getting 2 small private study groups with any teaching moderator. This is going to be your chance to get individualized attention, go over lessons, topics you are struggling with so that we can speed up that learning curve. Changer. You guys going to take advantage of those small private study groups. Then you get the entire curriculum. This is a 17-course curriculum. Okay. This is a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the fund in New York. You're going to get beginner and foundation courses for those that are new, advanced courses. Also, you're going to get courses on trader psychology, swing trading, crypto, options, you name it, we've got it. It's all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then you have, in addition to the courses, you have a video library with well over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops that we conduct with our members, like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO, our Options Palooza, which was just hosted yesterday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern, all day long options training. That is also going to be loaded up in the video library for all of our members to go see. You have access to all of this at no additional fee whatsoever. You pay $12.84 with that coupon code, and you guys have access to all of this for an entire year. And then, of course, our chat room where I share my screen, the mods share their screen, we're live on the microphone calling out trades all day long. Listen up, guys. The price is going to continue to go up. Okay, the price is being walked up by a couple of bucks every day until we cross back over 2,000 with all this stuff that we're adding to the platform. And that's still insane value. Let me put things into perspective for you, because you can join True Trading Group right now for just $12.84 for the whole year. Now, let's say you don't want to join True Trading Group, but you're like, you know what? That Benzinga news feed sounds pretty cool. I can use that. Real-time news. I like that. Let's go with that. I want to do that. You go to Benzinga's website. You go to sign up for their news feed with the Squawk Box feature. Guess what? $1,400 is the price tag. Not kidding. You can join True Trading Group for $12.84, and the Benzinga news feed's included. That's the value of a True Trading Group membership. That's a value of having access to the platform that is TTG. TTG is a platform for traders. Remember, you are not just getting someone's trade alerts. There's a lot more to True Trading Group than just that. The full book level 2 from QuoteStream, they charge $990 a year for that, free with your membership. The trade simulator that's used at all the different universities, they charge $300 a year for it. Yours free with your membership. And then TradingView's premium charts, they charge $600 a year for that, included free with your membership. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry, folks. In order to do that, you got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors, because results matter. Results matter. And the numbers are well over 80% of our members are successful and making money. For those that think that $12.84 is a lot of money, I'm not saying that it's not a lot of money, but for the value of what you are getting, it's cheap. Guys, it comes out to $3.50 a day. That's less than a cup of coffee from Starbucks. We can all find $3.50 a day to cut back on, to save up, to get yourself an education that can help you guys, become potentially successful traders and to be able to maybe reach financial goals that you never thought were even possible. Okay? That you guys never thought were even possible. Guys, my TC family members, because now that I'm talking about kind of worth of the membership, the value you get at $12.84 is actually insane. My TC fam, do me a favor. Tell me what you think the True Trading Group membership is worth. If you are a member, tell me what you think the membership to True Trading Group is worth. Tell me what you guys think it's worth. And be honest. Be honest. If you think it's worth $10, tell me. You think it's worth $10,000? Tell me. You tell me as a member, as someone that's experienced the platform, tell me what you think that it's worth. Truth Discernment says priceless. John Bean says priceless. Still Learning says 10K. Izzy Max says priceless. Glenn Wilson says he made his membership back in 2 days. Plura Trader says 5K. Diane Fig says 5K. Mike says 5K. Lakeisha says 10K easy. Jay Wendelberg says 10K. BBB says 10K. Townsell just says a lot. Another priceless. Nick Can says, guys, this is way underpriced for what you get. Humble Pie says 15K. Alex Puig says 10K. Blessy says 10K, but really it's priceless. Glenn Wilson says 8,000. Christina says priceless. I'd pay 6K without batting an eye. Ian says 5K plus. Lewis says 5K. 5K, I'm a newbie and I'm so impressed. Roxanne G says it's priceless because it is literally life-changing. Christina says, guys, you're paying $12.84 for 8 moderators. Didi Jack says 15K. You guys get the point. I don't need to read all of this. You guys can read all these comments. I like asking members questions so that you can hear it from them. Seriously, like I'd rather you guys hear this from members instead of just, I can say anything, right? I can say anything on here, but what does it really mean? How do you know? How do you know? That's why I like to ask my members. I like to ask my members so that you can see what people have to say that are actually experiencing this platform firsthand for themselves, because they're your peers. That's going to be the best way for you guys to get a referral. It's from people that are actually doing it, right? Guys, we also do have a trial for those that are interested. You can join True Trading Group for 1 full week for just $3. It's only $3, one-time payment, no auto renew, no recurring payment. It's a one-time payment of just $3, guys. That's going to get you access to our platform for 1 entire week. You can go to ttgthree.com. Okay. For those that are interested, you can go to, again, that's ttgthree.com. If you guys want to try us out for a full week, you certainly can. Just know this, if you go through the trial, you're not going to get a laptop and you will not get the 41% discount. Now, if you go through the trial and you decide you want to upgrade to become a full-time member, you'll still get some discount, but not the 41%. The 41% discount is reserved for those people that are ready to join True Trading Group right now, that are ready to take control of their own education, they're ready to invest in themselves, and they're ready to give this thing a shot. That's for those people that are ready to pull the trigger right now. You can use coupon code TTG1 to get the 41% discount and a brand new free laptop. If you don't want the laptop, again, you can use coupon code, you can send a text message to 201-775-9702. Nutella, welcome. Nutella, everybody, welcome Nutella. We now only have 12 laptops left. Okay, 12 laptops left. Everyone, welcome Nutella. 12 laptops left. Again, coupon code TTG121, free laptop. If you don't want a laptop and you'd rather have a little bit of a steeper discount, send a text message to 201-775-9702. Rashawn, welcome. Everybody welcome Rashawn. Newest member of the TTG family. That means we only have 11 laptops left. Okay, 11 laptops left. You just have to use coupon code TTG121 to get that laptop. Okay? Guys, don't forget, I offer you guys a money-back guarantee. So what do you have to lose? Seriously ask yourself, what do you have to lose? Because I'm sitting here telling you, as long as you say you're going to go through the courses, pass the quizzes, there's quizzes at the end of all the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one private study group. This is literally all I'm asking you to do. If you still do not make your membership fee back at least once, I will give you all of your money back. I'll give a full refund. You pay $12.84 tonight. You do those three things. If you don't make $12.84 back once, I'm going to give you $12.84 back. Worst case scenario, you got a free laptop. That's worst case scenario. Best case scenario, you got a free laptop and you go on to become a consistently profitable trader and reach financial goals you never thought were possible. Weigh that risk reward and decide if that's a trade you are willing to make. Because guess what, folks? Trading is all about risk reward. Is that risk reward worth you pulling the trigger? Ask yourself that question. It was worth it for Michael. Michael, congratulations, our newest member of the TTG family. Everybody welcome Michael. We now only have 10 laptops left. That is it. These laptops are going quick. We've only had one person opt to not take a laptop tonight. These are going fast. Use coupon code TTG121. That'll get you the 41% discount, and it'll get you guys the brand new free laptop. Also, we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Go check us out on Trustpilot. Seriously, please go read them. Okay? Over 1,300 people have taken the time out of their day to leave us a review on Trustpilot. Go read them. We are 5-star rated. There's no better referral than one from your peers. That is why I'm telling you to go read Trustpilot. But more importantly, that's why I ask members these questions on our live stream. So you can see for yourselves firsthand what real TTG members have to say about their experience and their success and their education. Because there's no difference between them and you. Like when I'm sitting up here and I'm telling you guys that well over 80% of our members are making money and becoming better traders. When I tell you that, there's no difference between you and them. Well, most of those people found True Trading Group either from a friend or family referral or a TTG live stream. There's no difference between them and you. If they can do it, so can you. You just got to use coupon code TTG121 here, guys. All right, we got 10 laptops left. And speaking of that money back guarantee, let me put something else into perspective for you. True Trading Group right now is probably just under 7,500 members, somewhere in that. Brian, welcome. Everybody welcome Brian. 9 laptops left now, guys. I told you these laptops are going to start to go. Everybody welcome Brian. We only have 9 laptops left now. Okay, we only have 9 laptops left. Everybody welcome Brian, newest member of the TTG family. Okay, now, speaking of the money back guarantee, we have just under 7,500 members now that are part of the TTG family. But we started keeping track of this statistic about 4,700 members ago. Of the last 4,700 members that have joined the True Trading Group, we have only had to refund 109 people. 109 people out of 4,700 is who we have had to refund. Folks, that's 2%. That's 2%. Not only am I telling you that because I'm showing you the amount of people that are actually requesting refunds, but also to tell you that the refund is real. I'm literally sitting here telling you, yes, 109 people have reached out and said, hey, I did these courses. I attended a study group. I passed the quizzes. I never made back my membership fee. I want my money back. Okay. You made a commitment to me. You made a commitment to True Trading Group. You made a commitment to us. And I'm telling you, if you make that commitment, I will commit ourselves right back to you. Not only in the sense of education, mentorship, time, help, resources, and support, but also in the sense of results. Why? Because results matter. And that is why I offer you that money back guarantee confidently, because I know the success my members are having. I know what this education can do for you because I see what it's doing for my members, and I know what that education has done for me. This education that I received when I worked at the fund in New York has completely changed the entire course and direction of my life. Without that experience, without that education, without that mentorship, there is no way that I would be where I am in my life today. My life would have went down an entirely different road. No way I would have been as successful as I am here now today. Not a shot. And I'm humble enough to say that. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught. I had a lot of people in my life. I had my boss. I had other mentors that I looked up to when I was working at the fund that answered questions for me that I learned a shit ton from. And if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be where I am today. Trading is a very lonely profession, guys. You don't need to do this alone. Become part of a family that genuinely cares whether you succeed or fail, that will be there for you through the ups, the downs, the good, the bad, that will answer your questions and provide you the support and the resources that you need to help become a consistently profitable trader. That is True Trading Group. Use coupon code TTG121. Get yourself the 41% discount. Get yourself the brand new laptop. There's only 9 left. If you don't want the laptop, you don't need it, whatever, you guys would rather have a steeper discount, send a text message right now to 201-775-9702. Adam is standing by. He can answer any questions you guys have about the membership, and I'll see about a steeper discount he can get you if you guys don't want the laptop. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. I had a lot of fun. I love doing these giveaways. Matt, thanks for joining us. Matt Kohrs. I hope those other 2 people responded to his DM. And those other 2 people for the free AMC private screening giveaway. We gave away a private screening in an AMC theater to 6 lucky people that follow Matt on Twitter. We also then gave away $30,000 to 1 lucky True Trading Group member. It was a lot of fun. I love doing this. I can't wait to do it again. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Smash that like button if you guys didn't do so already. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.